Oh yeah, breathing in that two-stroke smell, baby. First day out here, Hatfield McCoy. First day out here, Hatfield McCoy Trails. Little annual trip. Woo! Big RV coming around with some side-by-sides on the. Look at this setup right here. They got a trailer on the RV. Hell yeah. Last time I came here, I didn't take much GoPro video, and I'm gonna try to be better about that this time. So this is the first day. It's Thursday, and I'm just riding the KLX. I brought the KLX and my YZ250. Starting off on the KLX. It's about 2 o'clock today, so it's kind of like a half day. Just get out there and do some ripping. But yeah, for those of you guys that don't know about like the West Virginia Hatfield McCoy trails, basically in this spot you can kind of just ride on the street to the trailheads legally, I guess. Not sure how it works, but it does. And I don't know, there's nowhere really else in the world that I know of that you can do that. Imagine if I just loop a wheelie and ruin my whole trip on the first 5 minutes. So we got about a probably like another mile or two, not far, on this road, and we'll get to the trailhead. And we're at the trailhead. Oh man. So these trails, they're nothing crazy. It's nothing. Actually, there is some. Woohoo! There is some hard trails. Like you'll come up on them. Hopefully, we'll find some. Maybe not today, but this weekend during this trip. They're nothing hard. It's most of the people out here on side-by-sides, but there's some fun little elevation changes, and you can just go so far on them. It's more about going the long distance. You can cover, I don't know, 60 miles, 70 miles in a day or something, or probably more than that. I don't know what I'm talking about, but they are two-way trails, so you're gonna want to keep a lookout when you're on a dirt bike, especially when you're leading. Oh man, I miss this place. Just the up and down in elevation is so much fun. Holy cow! Some type of something going on over there. I can't even take my eyes off the trail to really look over there because I'm sketching out. That's a big cliff we are on right now. Woo! First little hill climb. That one looks crazy right there. Alright, that was a 199 back there. And honestly, I wanted to hit it. I think we're going to come back for that though and do it like in the morning. But yeah, I think it was a 199, which I think is high rated as the trails get. I think it only goes up to 199, so I think that's one of the harder trails. So we might have to come back for that in the morning, and luckily it's pretty close by to the house and early on in this little trail system, so it'll be easy to come back to when we want to hit it, which I do plan on doing. And I kind of want to hit it on the KLX. That's what I'm thinking. But anyways, let's just keep cruising for now. Oh, nice little hill climb. Woo! Hell yeah. Oh, we're not done. Woo! was sweet. Oh, we're still going up. Oh, that 252 stroke roost is real. Alright, I think we're done going up for now. Man, I don't even remember these. It's crazy. Oh wow, we got the dozer out here. I wonder if we're gonna go all downhill now. Yeah, he's probably fixing this up because this is, I mean, it's called Rock House, this trailhead we're at, so definitely some rocky parts, but whoa, look at this. Holy shit, this is sick. Whoa. Woo! Whoa. Holy shit. That's crazy. I don't even want to go on the other side. But I'm going to. Whoa. Look at that. Just straight through here, mountains. Holy cow. Whoa. Do not want to fall down that. Wow. That's insane. Well, that was a sick little spot. I've never seen that before. So this is kind of new territory. Oh my god, holy shit, wow. Yeah, all that uphill we just did, we're going back down now. And it's a bumpy one. Yeah, I haven't said much in the last few minutes, but these are some flowy trails. So fun. Woo. We're cooking through it. Whoa. Woo. Okay, Cameron. Sketchy! Sketchy, sketchy, sketchy. I was going too slow! Ah. Oh. Yeah. Is this the end? What's up here? Oh, I kind of remember this. I think there's a little trailhead here. Braveheart. Alright, well, this is I'm pretty sure this is a new trail system. I've never heard of it. Braveheart. And I believe they said that it was a loop. Like a closed loop, which is actually kind of nice. I don't know how long it is or anything yet. But whoa, it's dusty. Ah, there we go. Much better. I can see now. too. Oh dude, this hill climb looks big. Woo-hoo-hoo. Just chilling on the side of the mountain. No big deal. Oh, muddy down here. Alright, we're gonna check out this black real quick. It's an 82, so I mean, I don't know, it shouldn't be anything hard really, but we'll see. Oh shit, maybe it is. This is a good little hill. Hell yeah. We're like on a ridge right now. Both ways are cliffs. Top of the mountain. This is awesome. Now we're going back down. Let the engine brake and do some work for me. Oh yeah, this is a big hill. That was an awesome trail. That might be one of my favorites of the trip so far on that first day. Woo! Alright, fast forward like an hour or two. We are currently kind of getting low on daylight. Well, it's probably about 5:45, 6. It definitely gets dark by 7 now. But yeah, we're just trying to get out here. I think we got like probably 5 more miles, something like that. But thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have a lot more content coming from this Hatfield trip, hopefully. And if everything works out, I think I'm gonna try and hit that 199 trail tomorrow morning early on the KLX, so definitely stay tuned for that. But anyways, check the link in the description for the mods on the KLX, the EJK, woo! The levers, the pegs, the LED light, all that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.